In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome themes. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to a new tab page so you can access the Chrome customization options easily. This is where Google Chrome gives you quick access to visual settings that change the overall look and feel of your browsing experience. Next, click on Customize Chrome. You will usually find this option on the New tab page. When you select it, a customization panel will open. This area is where you can make changes to the appearance of Chrome without affecting your bookmarks, saved tabs, or browsing settings. After that, select Theme. This will take you to the section where Chrome themes and visual styles can be adjusted. Themes control the appearance of areas like the browser frame, tabs, and background styling. If you want your browser to feel cleaner, more colorful, or more personal, this is the main setting you will use. From here, you can choose how you want to customize the look of Chrome. You may see preset color options that let you quickly apply a different style with just one click. These are useful if you want a fast update without spending much time adjusting anything manually. You can also select from a gallery of backgrounds. If you want something more personal, click Upload an image to use your own photo. This allows you to choose an image from your computer and apply it as part of your Chrome theme. When selecting a personal image, it helps to use one that is clear and not too busy, so icons and text in the browser remain easy to read. That covers everything you need to know.